Welcome to 20 Car. Buckle up because the 2025 Lamborghini Huracán doesn't enter the scene quietly, it storms in like an Italian tempest. With its razor-sharp edges and signature Y-shaped lighting, this supercar isn't just a vehicle, it's a road warrior sculpted by the gods of speed. Its low-slung profile, bold air intakes, and vibrant color options, like Verde Mantis and Rosso Mars, make it the ultimate head-turner. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. The fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster offers razor-sharp visuals, and the fighter jet-style toggle switches add an extra layer of drama. Soft Alcantara and carbon fiber trim elevate the cabin, wrapping you in a cocoon of luxury and adrenaline. Underneath its muscular hood lies a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10, unleashing a thunderous 650 horsepower. The Huracán roars from 0 to 100 km height in just 2.9 seconds, delivering an experience that feels like breaking the sound barrier. Competitors like the Ferrari 296 GTB and Porsche 911 Turbo S try to match its ferocity, but few capture its unfiltered wildness. Starting at $250,000, the price tag isn't for the faint-hearted. Maintenance, insurance, and depreciation are steep, but who's counting when you're piloting a masterpiece? The driving experience is pure theater, razor-sharp handling and an exhaust note that sends shivers down your spine. While the compact trunk space and firm ride may raise eyebrows, these quirks feel trivial when the Huracán dominates every curve and straightaway. This Lamborghini is more than a car, it's Italy's declaration of automotive dominance. #20car #Lamborghini